Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how can we off this dial pad tone in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to off get this dial pad tone in your Motorola phone, so guys you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off this dial pad tone in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So guys, now let's see how to off this dial pad tone in Motorola phone. So when first of all open your phone setting to off this dial pad tone, then guys click on your sound setting, then guys scroll. So you can see that there is no any dial pad tone setting. So guys you can see this advanced, tap here, and then guys scroll, and guys first you can see your dial pad tone. So by this red icon guys tap here, so your dial pad tone will off. Guys you can see. So friends, you can see your dial pad tone will not work in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to off dial pad tone in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.